Hey, this episode is for you if you want to build a successful coaching business. You want to sell your advice online and make a huge profit from the knowledge and expertise you have. And this episode of Daily Dynamo is just for you. How to help others using your knowledge, skills, and expertise and build a profitable online business. At the same time, overcome daily challenges of self-doubt and procrastination while maintaining relationships and good health. I'm Chinmai Swamy, and welcome to Daily Dynamo for short and powerful episodes with proven strategies and systems to boost your confidence, increase your sales, and get virtual clients. Hey, well, you want to be a successful coach? You want to help? You want to use the knowledge you have to help hundreds and thousands of people, and you're struggling to do that? Well, simple strategy. Simple strategy. It's the way you. Here's one activity I want you to do today. It's just that start monitoring all the tasks you do on a daily basis. For today, from now on, like from the point you heard this and till the end of the day, just observe what kind of activities you're doing on a constant basis. Do you listen to a lot of podcasts? Do you watch videos? Do you watch Netflix? Do you go out for a run? Do you read books? Do you eat? Do you just observe what you're doing and just do that for one day, and you will start to see what activities you're doing. Okay, that's who you are. Now ask yourself, if this is what you're doing every day, then would this allow you to become the coach you want to be? Allow you to have the business you are so deeply want, like you so willingly want. You want to go and help hundreds or thousands of people to coach them, and you want to build a 6-figure business, a 7-figure business, multi-7-figure business. You want to have all of that. Then observe what you do every day, because that's where the keys are. Because what you do every day defines who you are. So the key message in this Daily Dynamo is who you are every day. Small moments of who you become. Like if you are just watching podcasts and let's take an example. If you just keep reading videos or podcasts and you're not putting out information, if you're not creating content, then you're just an inflow of information, and information just goes inside you to die. You don't take the information you gained and modify it or change it and into something more beautiful with your magic and put it out there. And put it out means share it, create your own content. If you don't do that, then information just keeps going in. That becomes like a dead end. Like, ask yourself, if you just put fresh vegetables into the fridge and you just keep putting stuff into the fridge and you don't take them out to cook some yummy food, it's going to rot inside the fridge. And when you open the fridge, it's going to be smelly. And that's how your mind is. And if you keep taking information and you don't put something out, that's what happens. So observe what actions you do, who you are on a daily basis, small things. And that's key to the next step. If you can observe that you're only taking information or you're only putting out, and you're not gaining new information, that means you're not learning new stuff, then you need to address that as well. So it's a combination of how much inflow you put and how much inflow you take and how much outflow you put out there. So because your mind should become a junction of information, like it's information coming in and it's going out and it's helping people, because that's who you are. You as a coach, as an expert, your only job is to help, right? So if you want to help, you need to share your knowledge, share what you have, everything what you have, to help another person overcome their barriers, challenges, and address their fears. And that's why they pay you money for. So if you want to succeed as a coach, make sure you observe what you do every day and make sure there is outflow of information. There is always outflow in any form. If you want to know how to create content and produce content, there's an episode of Daily Dynamo I've produced. Just watch that. And that'll be amazing. I'll see if I can put that in the link. But it's very easily it's titled how to produce content like a pro. That's the name of the episode. Watch that episode. Let me just take a quick look. It is episode number 41. It's episode number 41. So look that episode one, how to create content like a pro. But that's it. If you enjoyed this, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey, this is Chinmai Swamy, your host at Daily Dynamo. Be sure to follow and subscribe for new and energetic episodes. If you liked today's episode, please join the next live training, Virtual Sales Mastermind, where you will learn how to sell your advice online and get virtual clients. It's absolutely free. Simply go to virtualsalesmastermind.com to register for the free live training. See you in the next episode. Bye.